Welcome to the Success Prince Crash Course YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about managing our time. So time is a really important part of the strategy in the game, and it's actually a pretty key part of being successful in college. How you manage your time will have a lot to do with how you achieve GPA and achieve social, not only in the game but in real life. So you notice that every team player starts with 12 blocks of time in any given week. If you want to stay stress-free, you need to set 4 blocks of time to the side, not to be used. That leaves you 8 blocks of time for all sorts of things on the board. For example, I might spend one of my blocks of time in work, and for doing so, I'll earn 1 cash at the end of the week. I might want to spend 3 of my blocks of time in class, and at the end of the week I will earn 3 study points, which will be redeemable for GPA at midterms. I might say, I think that this international programs, I've always wanted to see the world. I'm going to spend 3 of my blocks of time at international programs and will earn 1 study and 1 social point at the end of this week. I only have 1 block of time left. It could work. Oh, but I've noticed for 2 time, I can spend some time in the Career Center and earn 3 cash. I think that's going to be my better, strategically smart choice. So you've noticed I've spent all 8 of my blocks of time, and I've reserved 4 for sleep, rest, rejuvenation, and I'm feeling really good about my week. But you might say, well, what if you really wanted to play all of your time? Like maybe there's some really great things that you want to do. Like maybe you've already gone on that camping trip. Well, I wagered 3 of my time blocks and I wouldn't have gotten them back. So they're set aside already and are spent. With only 1 time block left in front of me at the end of this week, I'm going to earn 2 stress points. That's okay. It's the beginning of the week, the beginning of the semester. There's lots of time to de-stress. I can de-stress any week by going to hobby. In this week, I could spend some time on campus radio and earn both a social and relieve stress. So with this 1 last block, I'm already going to earn 2 stress, so I might as well burn the midnight oil and use up all of my time. So I'm going to choose to go to work as well. But I could have just as easily chosen to go to class. And that's one of the biggest challenges and choices that college students face, is how to use their time. So if you want to stay stress-free, in every given week you have to save 4 time back. If you are willing to earn just 1 stress, you can free up 2 extra time blocks. And if you're like, it's okay, there's lots of time, there's lots of ways to de-stress, you might place all of your time on the game board and earn 2 stress at the end of the week.